Have you always wondered how to use green screen technology, but always thought it would be way too difficult or perhaps too expensive for you to do it? I have some great news for you. It really isn't. Green screen technology has been around for a while, and now it's very accessible to everybody to be able to use it. With green screen, you can basically remove your background and pretend you're in a completely different place. You can remove things that are around you. The possibilities are endless. You can use green screen technology to promote your business, perhaps, to perhaps make a educational video for students if you're a teacher, or just as a hobby, or you could even use green screen technology for a feature film. I will show you exactly what you will need to buy. It is a lot more affordable than you think. I will teach you how to use the right software so that you can edit once you have created a video using green screen. Really, it is a lot more affordable than you think and a lot easier to learn than you previously thought. So just sign up for my class and I will teach you from beginning to end exactly how to produce a video using green screen technology. Let's get started.